They don't want no problems.
No, they don't.
They don't want no problems.
Oh no.
They don't want no problems. They don't want no problems.
Okay.
They don't want no problems. They don't want no problems. They don't want no problems. They don't want no problems.
You guys don't want it like a teenage pregnancy. Nevertheless, I'm stone cold. Don't be second guessing me. Are you clowns from Russia? Don't be fucking rushing me like Helen DeGeneres. Ain't no guy touching me. G4 flying high, that's why you looking up to me. See my block boys, yeah, dope like Homer B. Diet soda ass rappers, not a fucking factor. Just sweet, I'm Visa everywhere you wanna be. I'm hard to read like a Chinese phone book. Straight shook when real goons step out the come look. We do it the best, shiny baguette, strip club, making a mess, touching the flesh, setting you up, telling you work, taking a check. Good life, never forget the lane we made for you. We all pay but you, we all fresh but do dirty like a cuff in the jean. That's how it is when you cause a motherfucking problem with the team. Woo!
They don't want no problems. 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 They don't want no problems.
Hey yo, I'm capable of manslaughter, and it's by time I made you all holler to the beat. I'm steady writing lyrics, man, when it comes to the streets. Tips a player with lots of gang. Yo, who you think just bought me my range? As far as haters go, I give a fuck. Yo, come correct, cause we'll leave you in a hearse cut up. Play no games, I'm the bitch spitting flows harder than the average nigga. I pulls the trigger on the old pussy ass nigga. It's the TIP. Yo, and I ain't from Bankhead, man. Fuck what a nigga did and fuck what a nigga said. And I'm ready to dismantle them all. I got a lot of niggas hating, but I'm still gon' ball. Cause I represent it for my dirty, dirty south. You get wrong out your mouth, you get your ass laid out, nigga. A lot of niggas like to talk and hide. Yo, fuck all that bullshit, meet me outside, nigga.
They don't want no problems. 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 They don't want no problems.
Getting your floss on, you leaving naked with your socks on. Paid in full team, got our guns drawn. Like a paid light bill, got our guns on. We on a dirty, hairy tip gun, that long. When the cannon blow, we murder you niggas. Try to run, shells on your back, turtle you niggas. I got a sniper's aim. Bitch, I can hit you from a half a mile. Tag your fucking skull in your brain with a half a smile. Wildin' out like the Nick Cannon show. Make niggas strip naked and start singing like D'Angelo. The Trey songs, diving in, guns out, gloves on. Hit your fucking auto-tune, now you singing love songs. I can't believe it, leave it. I had the gun on me. Shot him and hit his homie because
they don't want no problem.